Prachi, and in today's video we'll be talking about some fitness tips for those people who are feeling extremely demotivated and extremely lazy. And trust me, these are very simple, because for these you don't even have to leave your home or go out of your way, take out extra time. So guys, if you want to know more, just keep watching this video to find out. So every morning right after you wake up, this is what you can do. Start by stretching your body. You can do this in your room, you can do this in the bathroom. You don't even have to leave your house for this, guys, and it's so simple. Stretching your body is a very good exercise because first of all, it helps to loosen up your sore, tightened muscles. It helps you relax your body, and it really helps you otherwise feel fresh too. However, if you want to take this one step ahead, here's what I would recommend. Start doing some core strengthening exercises like planks. Now planks may be slightly difficult, especially if you're a beginner, but seriously it is very useful. And again, there's something which you can do right after waking up at your home itself. And for all those days when you're feeling too lazy to step out of your home, going to the garden, going for a walk, if it seems like too much, here's what you can do. Just turn on your TV. This will help in diverting your mind and keep you entertained. And while you're doing this, just walk in your living room. Guys, walking is walking. Whether you walk outside, whether you walk inside, yes, outside is better because you get fresh air. But even then, if you walk at home, even that is moving your body and adding some exercise to your routine, right? And while walking, here's what I like to do. Like you can see, I'm holding these dumbbells. So these are like actually very small dumbbells, just 1 kg each. And these are very easily available online, not even very expensive. I think 200-300 rupees for one pair, and that's it. So what I would recommend is that if you're going to use dumbbells for, just like normal exercising like this while walking, go for dumbbells which are very lightweight, so you don't injure yourself. Plus these are like very light, so you can actually hold them for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, even 1 hour of walking, and I don't feel much. I feel a little bit of effort here, but not too much. So that is perfect exercise, that's light exercise, and you don't even feel anything. You don't even have to go out of your way for this. And at the risk of sounding absolutely cliched, guys, but seriously, dieting is very important. See, you can do all kinds of things, but if you are still consuming a lot of calories, that will not help. But we'll try to keep this very simple, very easy. Start by just reducing your sugar intake. So next time you want to have chocolates, you want to have cake, just get some dates, jaggery, honey, stevia. You can get these things and keep them in your fridge. Whenever you feel like having a chocolate, just go pick up 2 dates and eat that. And apart from that, one more thing, for starters, I would definitely recommend this. So don't have to go hungry, because when you're feeling hungry, that's not good for you. I mean, if you're starving yourself, that's not good for you. And number 2, what happens is that, that kind of demotivates you from dieting. So we have to keep this very easy. Have your normal breakfast, have your normal lunch. For dinner, 2 things to keep in mind. Number 1, see, dinner is something which you have and then you go off to sleep almost immediately. So you don't really feel hunger pangs much. Number 2, what happens is that when you have very heavy dinner, you're easily consuming 500-700 calories, which your body has not even had the time to burn, right? Because you're going off to sleep. So dinner is something where we can adjust things a little bit. And here's what I would recommend, because it's something which I am also doing, okay? So get a meal replacement. So the meal replacement which I am using is Alpha Light Healthy Meal Shake. And this thing burns fat, fights cravings, boosts metabolism and thermogenesis, and it's great for healthy skin and hair. And if you actually look at the nutrition profile, you can pause the video to check it out. It's actually filled with a lot of vitamins, a lot of useful nutrients, right? I anyways put the link in the description box if you want to check out the reviews and all of that, because personally I really like this product, because preparing this is very easy. So you can either take a glass of water, although I prefer having this with milk or almond milk, and just take 1 scoop of this formula, mix it up and drink it up. It's as simple as that. So immediately after having this, you start feeling full. So if you don't feel hungry, you won't feel like eating unhealthy food, right? That's number 1. Number 2, because it has all of this nutrition, you can stop taking multivitamins, and your nutrition requirement is taken care of. Your body is not really losing on any important vitamins, in spite of the fact that you're dieting. Number 3, what happens is that, if you mix this with water especially, you're just consuming about 100 calories. So 100 calories versus 500-800 calories. Can you imagine how much calorie intake we are saving here? So like 400-600 calories is what an average person would burn after 1.5 hours of sweating it out on a treadmill. You are saving that by just having something which is a lot easier for you to have. So it's actually a very good option, guys. When you're feeling too lazy to work out, when you're feeling too demotivated to diet, just add one meal replacement and you will start seeing a difference. And do this at night especially, because this is when your body can really, really relax. And of course, guys, it goes without saying, wherever you find stairs, at office, at school, at college, or where you live, start taking the stairs. Now, I'm not asking you to climb like 5 floors of stairs, no, but you can start by climbing like 1 floor or just 2 floors. That's all you can start with, right? And even that helps a lot. And once you get used to it, maybe you can just, take it up a notch, maybe start climbing stairs a little bit more often, start climbing stairs a little faster, because, stair climbing, first of all, it burns a lot of calories, plus it really works out your body very well. And last but certainly not the least, start following a proper cycle in your life, okay? Like, for example, the time at which you sleep. If one day you're sleeping at 8 o'clock, the next day you're sleeping at 12 o'clock, that's not good for your body. Because see, this is how your brain works. When you sleep at the same time every single day and wake up at the same time every single day, it just teaches your brain, it teaches your body to relax at this time. So you sleep better. When you sleep better, your metabolism works better. So for example, just giving an example, if every night you can sleep at 10 o'clock, make it a routine to sleep at 10 o'clock and wake up at 6 a.m. Same goes for your food especially. So when you're eating your food, have a cycle, like around this time I will have my breakfast, this time I will have my lunch, this time I will have my snacks, then dinner. So when you have these kind of cycles, your body functions better because your body gets used to that kind of a cycle and the behavior, and it actually helps in metabolism. It also helps you stay energetic much longer. So guys, those are all the tricks and tips that I wanted to share with you all today. Honestly, it's down to absolute basics. If you look at it, watching TV and walking in a living room, it doesn't get any easier than this, guys. If you don't feel motivated enough for this, just tell yourself that I will get up from the couch, and that's all it takes. Just get it from the couch once and you can start moving, and it's not difficult. And something as simple as replacing your dinner with a meal replacement. I'm not even asking you to go hungry. I'm just saying that instead of having a big proper meal, first just have this meal replacement, and that's it. And by the way, guys, I forgot to mention this initially. The Alpha Light healthy milkshake which I'm showing you is actually chocolate fudge flavor. So it has a nice chocolatey with a little bit of vanilla. I think it has a slightly vanilla taste. It has a very nice taste. So it also helps in dealing with your chocolate cravings, your brownie cravings, and I know you're beginning to crave for that, so I'll stop talking about it. But it's really down to absolute basics, very little effort, and trust me, guys, if you start doing this, just skipping your dinner and having a meal replacement instead, walking around in your living room, climbing stairs, if you start doing this, I can tell you guys, within the first 1 or 2 weeks, you will see a difference. Not only will you start losing weight, you will also notice that you're feeling more energetic, you're feeling more enthusiastic. And once you start feeling more energetic and enthusiastic, of course, you can take up more exercises, you can take up fun activities. Instead of just walking around in your living room, you can actually, turn on some Zumba dance video on YouTube and watch that, and, just practice that instead. Even that's a lot of fun. So look for alternatives, look for options that will work for your lifestyle and something that will keep you motivated and will really help you. Workout, fitness routines don't have to be that complicated if you don't want it to, and you can still have a nice healthy life, guys. So that's all I wanted to share in today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.